In this video, I'll show you how to run the terminal as root in Ubuntu. First, open the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard or by searching for Terminal in the Applications menu. To switch to the root user, type this command: sudo then press Enter. You'll be asked for your password. This is the same password you used to log into Ubuntu. Type it and press Enter. You won't see anything as you type. That's normal. Once you're logged in, the prompt will change. You'll see a hash symbol instead of a $sign. This means you are now operating as the root user. You now have full administrative access. Be careful when running commands as root. A mistake can change system files or remove important data. If you want to run just one command as root, you can also type sudo before that command. For example, sudo apt update. This only gives root access for that one command. When you're done with the root shell, type exit, then press Enter. You'll go back to your regular user account. That's how you run the terminal as root on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.